So I decided that it's more economical for me to buy my olive oil in bulk. I do use this kind of mild olive oil all the time for my regular cooking, frying, and everything else. So I got this olive oil holder, and what I really love about it and why I purchased it is that you can use it to pour, and you can also use it to spray. So not only is this a good way to use with a bulk olive oil, but I also do not have to buy any oil spray anymore for frying, which makes it even more economical. So let me show you how I pour my olive oil in. And I love that it has a very wide neck, so I don't have to worry using funnels, which would be something inconvenient, especially with something that's oily. So just super easy to pour from the big bottle into this. And this comes with this little plastic piece which attaches to it, and this is how it gets the oil and pulls it in. You just twist close, and then so this little lever right here is for spraying. Here we go. So you can see it gives it a really nice adequate spray. If you want to pour, you just open it over here on top, you pull it back, and you can pour. And then you just close. So yeah, dual use, really convenient, and it's clean. It stays clean. It's easy to take care of, easy to keep and refill. Perfect for my cooking needs. I love it, and I highly recommend it to you as well.